Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Mallory and Scott here with Nooe Lawn Care, and she's putting me to work today. We got riprap. We're going to extend the pipe and basically just fix the drainage a little bit. Let's see how this goes. Another beautiful blue sky day, few clouds, sun is really bright. Customer has some extra pipe, so we are going to run it below here. It was just cut off right there. In fact, there's the extra. Looks like a lawnmower got a hold of it before we started taking over this property. But we got Mallory taking out the old riprap. We are going to regrade that, lay some landscape fabric down, and then put it back down. And then, like I say, run this pipe just right here to the dead end of the grass there. Just daylight it out pretty much right around that area. Everything will flow right downhill towards Mallory. I'm gonna go get this pipe and y'all can watch Mama rip out these rocks. Action.
Maybe bring me a leaf blower too.
I can do that. All right, I'm gonna try to explain my thoughts here. We got a lot of runoff. It's gonna be coming from this way. I know you really can't see. GoPro don't do any justice, but you got a hill coming down here, and it did go all the way down and just kind of ran on this wall right here and washed it out. So what I'm thinking is to kind of, regrade this wall, just kind of shave it back a little bit, but still keep it, because if there's enough water coming down this way, it won't make its way to the backyard. Hopefully it'll hit this wall right here and bring it on down. But yeah, we're just trying to dig in a good swell, break out a good swell, and then lay some fabric and put the riprap back down. I think, let's see, well, we'll see how much dirt we got coming off of here when we get down here. New pipe is laid. I grabbed some dirt from that pile right there, which we will visit here soon. Discharges right there, and then a decent little swell to take it all the way down. A bunch of riprap dug up, so we'll be able to reuse that for sure. And then we still have some in the truck, but let's go ahead and throw some fabric. Fabricioso. Is that a word?
Just stop. Just stop.
Is it?
Just stop.
All right. So what we want to do is run on top of this guy all the way down. If we need to double up, or I know we're gonna need to piece right there, but we want to run, you know, a rock's width, because we'll put it down, we'll staple it, and then we'll throw rocks on top of this side, you know, as a high wall kind of deal. So let's run this up that way. Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you. Looks like you know what you're doing.
Yeah, kind of.
Okay, so then, yeah, right about here is where I'm gonna cut her. I should have brought a torch, but oh well.
Yeah, Mitchell, sorry we didn't take your advice.
Okay, yeah, let's go ahead and staple this side down. And then we'll just cut us a little patch for that. Yeah, just start on, that's the more crucial side. So let's get that side pinned down first. Just start up at the very corner.
I'm just worried about when we come to mow.
Oh, all this right here will be covered by rock. So we won't have an issue. If we hit the rock, then we hit this. And that's not gonna be good. Yeah, take your top corner right there. I think that'd be a good idea.
Oh, must be a rock.
know the rock is going to do a lot of this holding. I just don't want this fabric to move. Yeah, for sure. Yeah, like I say, I get the rock is going to hold the fabric down, but I just want a little reassurance. Make me sleep better. She's on the rock. She's rolling down here. Might as well go ahead and run that tight. That'll be good. Middle. Sure. Okay, so let's cut us a little sliver for that guy. And in fact, I had to angle it to kind of straighten it out, kind of make it look pretty down there, so that angle actually might work for that side. And of course, it don't really matter if they overlap or anything. So we'll cut her kind of big. Okay, yeah, see what the small end will do up here close to the pipe. Can y'all see? Yeah, y'all can see. Give me a little flippage. Just kind of purdy it up, and then yes, in fact, see if you can finagle it, but throw this guy under, and then see if we can't go through the pipe and, well, there we go, we're already through the pipe. Through the pipe and the fabric, and it'll hold all of that down.
I don't have any pins.
I just put one right there.
Oh.
Inside the pipe.
I knew that.
You saw me.
Yeah, I did.
You saw me. I know you saw me. You just maybe forgot.
I did.
That you saw me, but that's okay.
Yeah, that's what happened.
I know, that's kind of a pain in the butt, ain't it?
Yeah.
That's going down, though. I know. See if it's doable to put your hand in there and just push down. Yeah, there you go. A good rock. I swear, you are so smart.
Well, it didn't do it no damn good. It just pinned it down to the ground.
Well, let's pull it up. You don't have to do that. Pull it up and just make sure that it gets in the... There we go. Now you gotta play the dirt again. That's all right. I've been hearing a rooster.
I did hear a rooster earlier.
That definitely wasn't a rooster.
Oh, speaking of roosters, you guys should go check out my chicken channel if you like chickens and
yeah,
other stuff.
Shameless plug. No, yeah, we've if you haven't noticed already, oh, I said it in another video that we had, but Mallory has a new channel called Mrs. NLC The Chicken Tender.
Yeah.
MRS NLC. Oh, I'm on a rock. MRS NLC The Chicken Tender. I'll leave a a link down there in the description below. But yeah, show a little love. Tell them Nooe Lawn Care sent you. All right, we've got fabric down. We've got everything graded out. It's time for some rock. Are you ready?
No. Yes.
All right,
yes,
go.
I'm ready. Let's go. All right, well that is it for this section of the yard, this job, the first job. I couldn't tell you how many rocks are in here, but we are just a little bit short, so we have to come back and mow here in a few days. So when we come back and mow, we'll just bring just a few more big rocks, and that'll be it for this job. We'll get the rocks hosed off, rinsed off, and then we're gonna lay some grass seed on top of this nice black dirt and call it a day. Sorry for the sun glare, but we are just spot filling, helping to level out.
I guess technically
For
this
instance,
would be top dressing, because
okay.
we got one area that runs from the box. Of course, the power guys did this, dug it all the way up to the detached building over there, and just left the red soil on top, gravel, and we got all this sitting up top. So we're gonna give her some good topsoil, spread it nice and even, give her something organic for it to fill in.
And I believe we're going to be doing something about this section as well. These trees, they give me every time. Let's see, this might be a better view. Yep. So let's get you on time lapse. We'll start spreading and dumping, and we'll get to it.
All right, so trying to spread this soil, we have the Landsie drag leveler that we picked up from our good buddy Mitchell, Mitchell Outdoor Services. He did tell us that we would probably need a cinder block, or a couple cinder blocks, but I am very hard-headed and didn't remember to bring it. So this is what we got going on. Let me show you. She pulls up, pulls down just a little bit. I'll grab the leveler, and then she'll back up. We'll go ahead and put it up over the hump of the pile, and she'll just take it on out and spread it. That's exactly what we need right there. That's working great. All right, stick y'all on time lapse. Let's get this dirt spread. Working out pretty good so far. We still got this hump right here to take care of, but we're spreading out pretty good. show you our little trick if you haven't seen it. Who needs a cinder block? You just hang out. And then just hop off when it's time to discharge. She's spinning. Back up. All right, now go. I'm too fat for it. Let's just pick her up. Hold on. Thought I was gonna get a better grip than that. There we go. Push it to the limits, baby.
Scott is finishing up spreading the top dressing, and I'm gonna get ready to go behind him and lay down the grass seed, and then the customer will start watering and we'll see the progress. It's gonna be nice. Alright, we may get more. This night haul is over. We'll see. But I do know something in the middle of the night is climbing on top of the truck. Must be a raccoon. And I saw it on the hood too. Come on now, get. Looks like he's about done. I'll tell you what, Mitchell. This thing sure is handy dandy. Got it all leveled out and flat. And a bucket of grass seed.
Yeah, we just got a little hump here. Running over it so many times.
It's cracking it
Kind of packed it down. So bust it up a little bit. Look at that.
Guess that's my cue.
Yeah. I say thank you, Mitchell, because we'd have been out here for another 3 hours if we didn't have that.
I say it every time.
Landsie.
Mitchell always comes in handy. He just, him and his tools, he always helping us out. We appreciate you, buddy. Hey, that was my job.
Now it's mine. No, this looks good. I like the way that looks because that's gonna be great topsoil, great organic material for all of this seed. And we fixed some crazy holes in the yard, bumps and rocks and yep. Much better. About there. Just plain beautiful. We got done with everything. We got everything in the back, the wheelbarrow, the extra grass seed. That was a job. Not normally something that we do, but we like to kind of venture out and you know, do some extra stuff. But as always, we greatly appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment so we can fix this exhaust leak on this truck. We greatly appreciate it. We'll catch y'all in the next one.
Bye.